Welcome guys, my name is KD, also known as Crypto Hustler, and this will be our third installment of our challenge of £100,000. In this challenge we aim to flip £2,000 up to £100,000. So like I say, this is our third installment. We have spent £300 so far. At the end of our last video, our balance was £274.98. roughly about £275. We've invested into 5 different coins: Algorand, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Filecoin and Scale Coin. So far over the past 2 videos we've invested £300 over 5 different coins, £60 on each coin. I'm just going to quickly go into Coinbase and see where we stand. So as you can see, our £300 was £275 last week. At the moment it is at £278.13. Let's say £278. So as you can see, Algorand is at £52.70, Decentraland is at £57.09, Engine Coin is £55.03, Filecoin £56.95, and Scale Coin is at £55.65. So in total we've spent £300 and our total balance at the moment is £278.13. So what I'm going to do is quickly go into Coinbase and make the purchases for this week. So I'm going to be buying £20 on each coin, so we'll be dividing £100 over 5 coins. So £20 on Algo, £20 on Mana, £20 on Engine, £20 on Fill and £20 on Scale. So now that we've made our purchases, we've put in £20 on each coin today, so in total we've spent £400. If we look at our current balance, it's £369.68, so we could say roughly £370. I would have preferred it if the coin prices did go down. Obviously as a buyer, the cheaper the better. You know, if the prices are going up, obviously it means we're buying the coins a bit more expensive. Naturally, you know, I'd want to see prices going down while I'm buying. Once I finish purchasing, you know, everything that I want to buy, then of course I would like the prices to go up. So guys, a lot of people have been asking, why do I want prices to go down if I'm invested? What you've got to understand is I'm still looking to invest. I've still got money to put in. Now if I'm going to buy something, I'd prefer to buy it cheaper. So of course I bought some in now. Reason being, nobody can predict the market. You don't know if it's going up or down. You know, even if it goes up, at least we bought some cheaper. If it does go down, obviously it's a bonus. We get to buy even cheaper. What you've got to understand is if you're a buyer, you want cheaper prices. We've spent so far £400. We've got £1,600 left to go. The cheaper the better. So guys, as you can see, our £400 so far is £369.68. We'll just call it £370. So guys, tune in next week where we're going to be spending another £100. We could obviously put our balance up to £500 and we'll see where we stand from there.